This beautifully designed one-story floor plan offers 2,283 square feet of living space, featuring 4 bedrooms, a den, and 2 bathrooms. An optional 5th bedroom or multi-generational suite and a 2-car garage are also available. The home showcases an excellent layout with an open floor plan design, providing a seamless flow throughout. Inside, you'll find all the luxurious details expected from a custom home, but at an affordable price, along with a variety of available options. This is not a modular home. It's a fully stick-built residence, ready for construction. We offer numerous choices for both the interior and exterior, including stone, brick, decking, and garage options, and we can customize the layout to suit your specific needs. This is a to-be-built home. You can choose the Burke C, home highlighted, or any other floor plan. Prices will vary based on plan and options chosen. This is just one option.